Ever wondered how search engines rank websites? How is it that when you type in a question or a phrase, the search engine manages to pull up the most relevant pages from the vast ocean of the internet? Well, the answer lies in the magic of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the fine art of improving a website's visibility in search engines like Google and Microsoft Bing. It's a series of steps taken to ensure a website ranks higher in search engine results, with the ultimate goal of attracting visitors who could potentially turn into customers, clients, or a recurring audience. Imagine the internet as an enormous library and the search engines as librarians. Just as librarians use catalog systems to organize books and help patrons find what they're looking for, search engines use SEO to organize the internet's vast array of information. To do this, search engines deploy crawlers, also known as spiders or bots. These crawlers gather information from all over the internet, following links from known web pages to discover other pages. The content of these discovered pages and the context of the links provide search engines with an understanding of what each page is about. Furthermore, crawlers help identify semantic relationships between pages. These connections assist search engines in determining which results are most relevant to a user's query. However, SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all operation. It comes in three distinct types: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO is all about optimizing individual web pages. This involves improving the content, tweaking the meta tags, enhancing the headings, and refining the internal linking. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, is about building external links and promoting content through various channels. This could be through social media, influencer outreach, or other promotional channels. Last but not least, there's technical SEO. This focuses on enhancing the technical aspects of a website, such as its performance, its mobile friendliness, and its crawlability, which is how easily a search engine's crawlers can navigate through a website's content. In conclusion, SEO is the key to improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engines. It involves a combination of content optimization, link building, and technical enhancements, all aimed at making a website more appealing to search engine crawlers. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract visitors who could potentially become customers, clients, or an engaged audience. So next time you marvel at the precision of a search engine's results, remember the intricate workings of SEO behind the scenes.